Then in continuation, if we come to here from waves, after completing the um, the phase difference concept, here suppose sometimes how to identify that the given equation is a wave equation or not. Okay. And what's your doubt, Nana? Suppose one equation is given like this. Example, uh, the displacement y, uh, the displacement y is given as a function of time and x. Okay, time and x. Number one, given like this, y is equals to like some root of x minus vt. And number two, y is equals to like some x square minus v v square t square or vt like this. Third one, like y is equals to some x minus vt whole square. Suppose given like this. I think you are following the logic here. Observe almost all everything appeared to be like the functions of x and time and x only. Okay. And suppose fourth one given like y is equals to root x minus root vt. Everything given like this. And suppose fifth one given as like a by, or okay, some constant a by ax minus bt. Okay, like this, right? Or simply x minus vt. Even you can like take like this, x minus vt. Okay. Suppose given those equations like this, suppose if you want to take even exponential also, y is equals to like uh, a into e power minus like x minus vt whole square. Okay, like these type of equations. Suppose given, out of all the equations, which one represent or which are represent the wave equations, which are not represent wave equations? Okay, if they ask. So here the question is, in the above six equations, which is or are represent the wave equations, the wave equation. Likewise, suppose four equations they give in the exam. Out of four, which is not representing the wave equation, they may ask the question like this. So these type we have to come to know. Okay. For that, basically, I can say something here that in the individual terms, x or vt. Why? Because the wave equation, what I told, the wave equation is represented as, how we represent it, Nana? Y is equals to
Function of
function
x
of
plus or minus vt.
plus or minus vt. Okay, we gave one equation like this. Means that indirectly saying one thing here, you should not get any power for the x, any power for the vt. Okay, but you may take whole power like this, like a whole square, whole cube, square root, cube root, like such type of equations you may get. But here individually you should not get like x square or vt square, like such type of equations you should not get. Okay, so if you see here, this equation is represented like the first one. Okay, if you see there, y is equals to x minus vt under root given. Here I'm getting like x minus vt whole power half I got. Whole power, not individual powers here. Okay, x and vt. That's why I say here it represents wave equation. Okay, yes. 1356. Ram Aditya is saying 1356. Yes, correct only, Ram. 2 and 4 do not represent the wave equation. Yes, exactly. Okay. And the second one here, I say y is equals to x square minus vt. Here, x square is there. That's why it represents, oh, better I write here, everything, every equation separately. It represents wave equation. And number 2, here y is equals to x square minus vt even whole square, means like v square t square or vt, suppose given like this. There is some power. That's why it does not represent wave equation. Represent wave equation. Okay. And third one, I think you can say already you understood. X minus vt whole square, whole power square is there. So it represents wave equation. Okay. And fourth one, if you see here, again, you can see there root x minus root vt means here individually powers are there.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nana. Whole power half. Okay, every day you are joining a bit late, Mr. Bhargav. I don't know the reason behind. It represents, it does not represent the wave equation. Okay, see here. Okay, it does not represent wave equation. And sixth one, if you see there, oh, sorry, fifth one. This type of equation you have to remember, Nana. These actually represent like a by x minus vt or something, or whole square at the denominator. Okay, these type of equations represent pulse equations, Nana. Pulse is a part of wave. That's why it represents wave equation. Okay, better I say here note fifth equation represents the pulse, represents the equation of a pulse. Why? Because once previously in advanced exam, he asked us this type of equation and he asked to find out the velocity of the wave. Okay, that I will give, you can understand. And next one, y is equals to sixth one, a e power minus x minus vt whole square. Okay. Here whole square is there, exponential, like a trigonometric or exponential. Whole square means whole power square is there. That's why it represents wave equation. Okay. So here we may get some doubt. Sir, here is there any mathematical condition to say that yes, exponential లో ఉన్నా కూడా నాన్న yes, okay, wave equation, any mathematical proof or any mathematical equation there to say whether the given equation is a wave equation or not. Okay, for that they are giving one small thing here, Nana. What, sir? Say suppose the theory here, what I'm saying, this is the theory. Usually we take y as a function of x minus vt. Okay, is a wave equation. What we know actually. Okay, what he is saying, first differentiate partially with respect to time. Okay, then what happens, sir? Differentiate, you will get f dash into x minus vt only. Am I right? Correct, Anana? Or else anything
Into
I have
minus
to write
v,
here?
sir.
Right, into minus v. Very good. This is with respect to time. Okay, take the second derivative, Nana. Dou square y by dou t square. Then I will get f double dash x minus vt
Into v square.
into one more minus. Yeah, that becomes plus v square. Correct, Nana? Right. Now, in the same way, take the differentiation, that is partial differentiation with respect to x, Nana. That is, I think, simply f dash into x minus f dash of x minus vt. No, nothing you will get here. Correct, Nana?
Correct, sir.
Excuse me. So differentiate and take the second differentiation of this one, Nana. Dou square y by dou x square. That is simple. I will get f double dash into x minus v. So the given equation partially differentiated with respect to both the variables, variable x, variable time. Okay, after taking some second differentiation, means second derivative, I am going to find out some relation between these two bodhis. The second derivative with respect to time, the second derivative here with respect to x. Okay, even I think you also understood what will be the relation between the two variables with respect to
sir.
the two variables. What can you say there, Nana?
D square y by dt square equals to v square into d square y by dx square.
Dou square y by dou x square, partially differentiate, partial differentiation. And here this condition is satisfied. Think reverse in a reverse order, Nana. If it is a wave equation, I got this is the result. Correct? So if
Yes,
any
sir.
equation satisfies this condition, I can say that represents wave equation. The given equation is a wave equation. Cheppachcha ala nenu?
Yes, sir.
That's why I say it is the differential form sorry, it is the differential form of wave equation. Okay, because దీనికి for example take some here. Sorry, మరి మీరు ఇచ్చిన 6 equations we will check like this, sir, with this mathematical equation. Yeah, you may try. Okay, here try yourself. Okay, may try చేయాలి సార్ here. Just take one equation which is not wave equation, which is the wave equation. Okay, suppose if I take first one, sir, where y is equals to root of x minus vt. Okay, right, take it. Means first what you are saying, dou square y, sorry, first say, the first derivative I have to take. What happened? Dou y by first dou t. Say this one, Nana. Correct, Anna?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, dou y by dou x also first derivative is first I am completing. This is the equation. Correct, Nana?
Yes.
Second derivatives I am writing in the next page. This differentiation is how much, Nana? 1 by root x differentiation. Right.
Hello, sir. Sir,
How much is this, Ra?
స్ట్రక్ అవుతుందా సార్?
No.
నాకు మీ వీడియో స్ట్రక్ అవుతుంది సార్.
In the
అవును
middle.
సార్.
అవును సార్.
Era.
Yes, sir.
Now once you see here, are you able to see the previous page?
అనిపిస్తుంది సార్ ఇప్పుడు.
Yes, sir.
Able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. అంటే సచిన్ రెడ్డి ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ వినిపించట్లేదంటే ఓకే. Right, I think now you are able to hear Mr. Sachin Reddy. Yes. But here able to see this page first?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, what I am taking the second derivative, Nana. 1 by 2 root x means in mathematics 1 by 2 root x differentiation is it correct? Means one more time
Sir,
we are
పైన ప్లస్
differentiating
వి
this
కదా
equation.
సార్?
ఇంకా I did not ready. అంటే plus v square
Okay, sir.
అవుతుంది. First
Yes, sir.
this part, is it correct?
Correct, sir.
Whole power 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Into plus v square I will get. Correct, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So I am getting minus v square by 4 into x minus vt whole power 3 by 2. Whereas second derivative of y with respect to x, you see there. This one again, if I differentiate, I think I will get minus 1 by 4 into x minus vt whole power 3 by 2. Its differentiation is?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nana, correct, Nana? Second derivative of this one is minus 1 by 4 into x minus vt whole power 3 by 2. Once you check, any mistake here?
No, sir.
Right, good. I'm going to erase this part here and moving to the next page. Now check once what is the relation between dou square y by dou t square and dou square y by dou x square. Here getting there. If you check, I'm getting dou square y by dou t square is equals to v square into dou square y by dou x square. Is it correct, Nana? Relation between the two equations?
Correct, sir.
Means exactly what I proved here. I'm getting that equation. Dou square y by dou t square is equals to v square into second derivative of y with respect to x. So here it is following the means satisfying the given condition here. Satisfying means the given equation should be a wave equation. So shall I conclude that first one is a wave equation? That implies
Yes.
y is equals to root of x minus yt represents a wave equation. Okay, so first one here, condition satisfied, Nana. And in the same way, one more you can take like which is not representing the wave equation. Suppose which is not means here I think second and fourth Previously we concluded did not represent the wave equation. Anyone you select, Nana? Second or fourth? Which one you
Second
select?
one.
Sorry. Okay, coming to the second one here, according to the student's wish, taking the second one here, y is equals to x square minus vt. First you take the differentiation on a dou y by dou t first. Means x square this is 0 partial differentiation kada. 0 minus v dou y by dou t, correct Anara?
Yes, sir.
So dou square y by dou t square, I think I am getting 0. Why? Because v is constant.
Yes, sir.
And here dou y by dou x, I am getting here 2x. And this becomes 0, partial differentiation. And dou square y by dou x square, I am getting that is equals to 2. Mari, is the condition satisfied here?
No, sir.
And here dou square y by dou t square is not equal to v square into dou square y by dou x square. That implies y is equals to x square minus vt does not represent the wave equation. Okay. మరి సచిన్ ఒకటి అడుగున్నాడు మనకి, సార్ ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ కూడా వేవ్ ఈక్వేషన్ అవుతుందా? ఈవెన్ ప్రీవియస్లీ our Manduva also asked the same equation. Yes. Okay. Once again we are trying now, we are checking. This is try yourself. You can check any one from the given 6 equations. So shall I check this exponential equation and the pulse equation also? This one I said that it is a pulse equation. Pulse
Yes, sir.
equation is also a wave equation అన్నాను. మరి దాన్ని కూడా ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయాలిగా. It also represents a wave equation అనేది. Yes.
Sir, that part
So
of a
here
wave
go to the
అవుతుంది.
pulse. Part of the wave అవుతుంది నాన్న. మరి పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద వేవ్ అన్నప్పుడు వేవ్ ఈక్వేషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వాలిగా, డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్.
అవ్వాలి సార్.
మరి అవుతుందని మీకు ఇప్పటికే అర్థమై ఉంటుంది.
అవుతుంది సార్.
అంటే కాస్త మైండ్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేస్తే మీకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. ఎరా కరెక్ట్ ఏనారా?
Correct.
ఆర్ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్ దిస్ వన్. చెక్
No
చేయాలంటారా?
need. No, sir.
No need. Right. Then if you go to 6th one, okay, in the next page, 6th equation is y is equals to, I don't know Nana what I gave there, y is equals to a e power, okay, right, y equals to a e power minus x minus vt. Dou y by dou t is how much Nana? A into e power x minus vt into
Plus
v,
v.
correct enough? Plus, right. And dou square y by dou t square will be av into, ante v square into e power minus of x minus vt.
Yes, sir.
Any mistake here? తప్పేం లేదు కదా నాన్న?
No, sir.
And dou y by dou x, how much you are going to get there? A into e power minus of x minus vt, correct నాన్న?
Into minus 1.
-1 ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? x minus vt is the equation కదా.
సార్ e పవర్ మైనస్ ఉంది కదా సార్.
ఒరే e పవర్ మైనస్ అంటే 1 by e పవర్ x minus vt కదరా.
అవును సార్.
అంటే 1 by e పవర్ మైనస్ x, ఈ x minus vt is how much?
సార్ అంటే దాన్ని ఇప్పుడు e కి పవర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ వీటీగా రాసుకొని మీరు దాన్ని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ కి.
ఓకే మాస్టర్, సరే -1, ఓకేనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
రైట్, ఆర్ యూ సాటిస్ఫైడ్ నౌ?
సార్ అంటే అది కరెక్ట్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్.
కరెక్ట్. యు ఆర్ రైట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రాంగ్ హియర్? సింపుల్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ కదా. ఎక్స్పాండింగ్ దట్ వన్, -x plus vt. Dou square y by dou x square. that is a e power minus of x minus vt into
+1.
one more minus 1, you will get that -1 into -1 is +1. Yeah, +1, correct. Now once you check the two equations here, I think you got the answer, almost got the answer here.
Yes, sir.
First one,
Satisfied.
condition satisfied or not?
Yes,
Second
sir.
one. Yeah. So from the two boxes, we can say here that implies dou square y by dou t square is equals to, you can say that v square into the remaining part is dou square y by dou x square. Condition satisfied. So exponential equation also that implies y is equals to a e power minus of x minus vt represent a wave equation. Okay, Nana?
No, okay,
1
sir.
minute, please. Right. Then here, Nana, I think out of 7 equations, already I cross-checked 3 equations. Now, are you satisfied, or else to be cross-check the remaining 3 equations?
No need, sir.
No need. So you satisfied here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I explained actually how to check the 3 given equation is a wave equation. Theoretically, I explained without any mathematical proof here. What I said, individually, you should not get any power. If you get some powers individually, that does not represent wave equation. Theoretically, what I said. And you may get x minus vt, or the whole power, you can get something like a half or whole square like this. That represent a wave equation. Okay. And mathematically also I proved with the differential equation of the wave, differential form of the wave equation. That also try yourself here in this part I explained. Okay, by taking 3 equations here out of 6 equations. So any doubt here how to check whether the given equation is wave equation or not?
No, sir.
Right, good. So I think even in exam also, if some equation is given, okay, and they ask which are representing the wave equation, which does not represent the wave equation, now happily without second thought, 100% here accuracy, I think you can put the option without any mistake, without doing any mistake in exam. Okay, shall I believe you all, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right, thank you. So wave equation, you don't have any doubts. Okay. And already I said, yes, here the pulse equation, there, what the question he gave previously in advanced exam. Yes, take one example here, the pulse equation. Here, one more example I am writing. The pulse of a given wave is represented as, he gave, this was previous advanced question, Nana, 3 by like 2x plus vt whole square he gave. Exactly what I said like previously. Like a by x minus vt function. Okay, he gave whole square there. Okay. And in this given equation, what the question he asked, sir. Okay, find the direction of propagation and the velocity of waves. Okay, given that y and x are measured in meters, and time is measured in seconds. T is measured in seconds. Sorry, measured in seconds. Okay, clearly he gave everything, including the units. Okay, here two questions, Nana. Direction of propagation means positive x-axis or negative x-axis, and the velocity of the wave, both you have to say. Okay, first question, I think everybody can say the answer. What is the direction of propagation?
Negative x-axis.
Exactly. So it travels along the negative x-axis. So the pulse is moving along negative x-axis. Yes, the pulse is moving along negative x-axis. Any doubt here, Nana? Others?
No, sir.
డౌట్ ఉంది అన్నారంటే అసలు వేవ్స్ ఏం అర్థం కానట్టు ఇప్పటివరకు మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుంది. ఐ థింక్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ దట్. Here we got plus. That's why it moves along negative x-axis. 100%. Okay, good. And how to find the velocity? Sorry, 2x plus vt in the nonsense. 2x plus 3t. Here, Nana, this is. This one also previously I told. Whatever the function you are getting there, like kx plus omega t, this is in the form of kx plus omega t, Nana. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can take the whole thing in the function as a constant, and if you differentiate with respect to time, you will get the velocity. That is one method. Already I explained. Or else, if you remember, if it is x function of x and t, then it can be written as like kx plus omega t. Velocity of the wave, second one, v is equals to, you can write omega by k. Which method you prefer? Take the whole thing as a
Second one,
constant
sir.
and is it omega by k comfortable, Miku?
అవును సార్.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then omega is how much here?
2. Oh, sir, 3.
Omega. Omega 3 and
Sorry,
k is
3.
right.
2.
Right. Kx plus omega t. So omega is 3 by k is 2. So v is equals to 1.5 meters per second. That's it. Okay. Since it is moving along negative axis, x-axis, you may write or v is equals to, you can write minus 1.5 meters per second. Okay, if you see this kind of option, you can put this option. If it is not there, you can put this option. Okay, Nana? Otherwise, why I put the negative sign there?
Understood, sir.
Why? Because it is moving along negative x-axis. That's why I put minus 1.5. If it moves along positive x-axis, we put plus 1.5. Sorry, there is confusing on this, sir. Okay, go to the alternative method. There you will get including the sign. Or another method, 2x plus 3t is equals to constant. Na? In the wave equation, whatever he gave, like kx plus omega t, the whole thing is a constant. And differentiate with respect to time. This is 2 into dx by dt plus 3 into dt by dt is 1, and differentiation of constant is 0. That implies dx by dt is equals to, here you observe, you are getting minus 3 by 2. That is minus 1.5 meters per second. Alternative method. Okay, either there or here, you are getting the same answer, Nana, in the two ways. Okay, any doubt in this problem, Nana?
Sir,
Yes.
One second method, sir, means how you took that
What is?
const.
Already I told you, Nana. Y is equals to. Oh, I think first class or second class I told. A
Second class, sir.
sine k like k. Second class, plus or minus omega t. Nana, this function. That day I think I took plus or minus phi also additional.
Yes, sir. తీసుకున్నా.
Omega t plus or minus phi. This whole thing is a constant, Nana. Sir, why you took that constant? That day I explained. Since the velocity of the wave is constant, this whole thing should be a constant, Nana. If it is wrong, you won't get velocity constant finally. చెప్పాను కూడా ఆ రోజు మీకు. K into,
Yes,
if you
sir.
differentiate this one, kx dx plus omega, this is 0. Epoch is constant. 0 differentiation of epoch is 0. And this is 0. K into dx by dt is equal to, that day I told, minus r plus omega. So velocity of the wave v is equals to minus r plus omega by k. ఆ రోజు మీకు క్లియర్గా చెప్పాను, dy by dt is the velocity of particle and dx by dt is the velocity of wave.
Yes,
గుర్తుందా?
sir. Yes,
In
sir.
the final conclusion also that day, before completing the class, again while I gave few means I gave small recap also. న్యూస్ చెప్పినట్టు చెప్పాను, న్యూస్ అంతా అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రీక్యాప్ ఇచ్చాను మీకు. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And that day I told clearly, negative sign when you get, positive sign when you get.
Yes, sir.
చెప్పాను కదా నాన్న?
Yes.
Right. So I think no doubt here. Good. This is the pulse equation. Nana. Such type of pulse equations you may get in exam. Keep in mind. Okay. And here, suppose if you take, it means these are all like the wave equations, Nana. Okay. And wave equations also, you will get the questions in exam. Keep in mind. Don't neglect the wave equation part also. Okay. This is important only. Okay. And here you may get sometimes, suppose one traveling wave, means this wave only. This question was given, that was given in advance, Nana, and this one what I'm going to explain was given in mains. This is mains type of question. This is one traveling wave equation given as a function of time and x. Simply I'm writing only equation here as a function of x and t, he said there, is equals to like some 10 power minus 3 into this one. He gave sign only. Why? Because in MSET, in mains they go only through trigonometric equations. Sine 50t plus 2x. Okay. Take all are in SI. Okay. Again, no need to write y and x are in SI units. Time is also in seconds. They are in meters. This is in seconds. Better I write meter comma second. Okay. Y and x in meters. Time is in seconds. Okay. Then find. Actually, he gave only one thing, Nana. What is the propagation and what is the speed of the wave? Then I'm asking extra things from here. Like first one, amplitude. I think you know that. Directly you can say the answer here. What is the amplitude, Nana?
10 power minus 3.
10 power minus
10 power minus 3 meters. Meters or centimeters?
Meter.
10 power minus 3. Y is equal to a sine. This is omega t plus kx, Nana. Correct, Nana?
Yes, sir.
3.
Number 2, second question is this one also you can say, find the frequency. So in the solution, what do you say? Second one, frequency will come from k or
50 by
omega.
2 pi.
From omega.
Ah, yes, from omega. So omega is it 50 or 2?
50, sir.
50.
Right, 50. మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఏమయ్యారా? డమ్మీ అయ్యారేంది? ఓన్లీ యూ బోత్ ఆర్ రెస్పాండింగ్. 25 మెంబర్స్ వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేసి పక్కకి వెళ్ళిపోయారా ఏంది? మిగతా వాళ్ళు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వరింది నాన్న. మాకు కాదులే అన్నట్ట. అట్లీస్ట్ యూ కెన్ టైప్ హియర్, ఐఎమ్ చెకింగ్ దేర్ నా. ఈవెన్ ఇన్ టైపింగ్ ఆల్సో, ఇన్ చాట్ ఆల్సో యు ఆర్ నాట్ టైపింగ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్స్. Anirudh Sarkar is there, Bhargav is there, Bhavana is there. Oh, many are 25 members are there. Ritvik is also there. Today Ritvik is not responding. Vaishnavi is there. Rishikesh is there. Pabba Rohit also there today. Nikhil, sorry, Nikhil Aburi, okay. Manidatt is there. Oh, many students are there. KSS Vaishnavi is there. Dharani is also there. Dharani is also not responding. Jairam is not responding. Okay, Sharavana Bhava not responding. Charitesh is also there. What is this? Charitesh is also not responding. It's very bad. Okay, okay. That should come from their heart only. We should not compel them. Okay, right, leave it. Next question. You can type only number, Nana. Okay, that number you are taking 1 minute, Mr. Ram. Just to type 50, is it taking 1 minute? Okay, anyway, leave it. And third one, I am asking here.
Sir, second one not.
What is the time?
Frequency omega into 2 pi.
Oh, okay, okay. Coming to that time. Sorry. Here not yet completed. Second one coming back to there. Omega is equals to 50. That implies frequency is equals to omega by 2 pi. That is 50 by 2 pi means 25 by pi. Okay, no problem. This is frequency hertz. Okay, time period. Right. Oh, good. It's very good. Baba Rohit. Nice.
Pi by
Nana.
25.
This is reciprocal of frequency. Very good, very good. This is time period is reciprocal of simple frequency, that is pi by 25. Excellent, very good. Very good, very good. Good, Sachin Reddy. And then here, fourth one. What I'm asking, find the wavelength. Wavelength you get from K or
K, sir.
K.
2 equals
so
to
K
2
is
pi by
equals
lambda.
to
Pi, sir.
right. K here is okay. Very good. K is equals to 2. That implies K is 2 pi by lambda. The formula is that is equals to 2. That implies here if you cancel 2 and 2 there, then you will get lambda is equals to 5 meters. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, Mr. Ram. And then here the fifth one. This one I think you can say velocity of the wave. Velocity of wave.
25.
Using omega by k, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Even Sachin also typed the same. I think it is correct. Velocity of the wave omega by k. Simple. 50 by 2. 50 by 2 is 25. Very good. 25 meters per second. And then here, okay, Manidat. Right. And the sixth one. Okay. I'm asking what is the maximum velocity of particle?
50 into
In the
10
wave.
power minus 3.
Okay. Which formula you used there?
J omega, sir.
Right. V max of very good, very good, very good. A omega, correct, Nana? V max of a particle is equals to A omega. Excellent, correct. A is 10 power minus 3 into 50, that is 50 into 10 power minus 3, that is equals to 0.05 meters per second or 5 centimeters per second. Okay, right, good. Next here, seventh one, maximum acceleration of the particle
15.
A omega square. Very good, Pabba Rohit. Maximum acceleration of the particle A omega square, right? A max of the particle, that is A omega square. Straight away you say the answer, 2500 into 10 power minus 3 and 2.5. Is it correct?
Right, sir.
2.5 meter per second square. Yeah, correct. Correct, Mr. Ron. And here, the last one. Find velocity and acceleration. Seventh question. Velocity and the acceleration. Means not maximum velocity and maximum acceleration, sir? No, not maximum velocity, maximum acceleration. I require at some point. At which point, sir? At x comma t equals to those 2 points I'm giving, Nana. Okay, x minus x comma t equals to 1/6 meters, comma 0.01 second.
Instead
At
of
that point,
wave,
I require in the wave only, Nana.
okay.
Velocity and acceleration of not wave, of a particle. Okay, while the wave is propagating, the particle is at which point? 1/6 meters, 0.01 second. Yeah, ఇప్పుడు differentiate చేయాలి. Yes, exactly. Or else differentiate చేయకుండా కూడాను you can solve it. I think you know it, the method. Without differentiating, V is equals to omega into root of
This one only. Omega into root of.
very good, very good. Root of a square minus y square, acceleration is equals to minus omega square y. Correct, Anana?
Yes, sir.
And a simple in the y, if you substitute t is equals to 1/6 and x is equals to 0.01, you will get simple. So if I move to here, what will be the y there? Y is equals to 10 power minus 3 into sine. Here, how much is that? 50t. 50 into t is 0.01. 50 into 0.01 plus k is 2. 2 into x is 1/6. 2 into 1/6. I don't know how much I'm going to get that. 10 power minus 3 into sine. This is 50 into 0.01 is 0.125 plus 1/3. So I think I'm getting 10 power minus 3 into sine 1.5 plus 1, 2.5/3. So how much is this? 10 power minus 3 into sine 0.833, like this I will get. This value is how much, Nana?
Sir, better you take y as 4, sir. We can solve easily.
Nana,
Means
y as?
means not y, sir. That x you took as 1/6.
Oh, this is x as how much, Nana? I took 1/6.
No, sir.
Okay.
Means if you take 1/4, it will be easy. You'll get exactly.
Okay. Okay. Instead of 1/6, 1/4, you will get easy, Anna.
Sine 1.
Anyway, that time also 1/4, 2/1/2. I think you will get sine 1. Even that time also you have to use the calculator, na?
Yes.
సార్ అప్రాక్స్ తీసుకుందామా?
Is sine
సైన్ థీటా
0.8.
టెన్స్ టు థీటా.
అట్లా అంటావా? Since it is small.
ఎస్
Sir.
సార్.
Okay, ma. Yes.
సార్ అలా తీసుకోలేము కదా సార్. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనము అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ ఇది 0.8 ఉంటే సో ఆల్రెడీ థీటా చాలా తక్కువ ఉంది. సో ఇట్ టెన్స్ టు 0 రావాలి. కానీ మనకు ఆన్సర్ 0.8 టెన్స్ టు 1 వస్తుంది.
1 రాదు నాన్న. Sin theta is theta కదా. When theta is close to 0.
అదే సార్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు సైన్ 0 పాయింట్ సంథింగ్ కదా సార్. సో మనకి యాక్చువల్‌గా అంటే ఒకవేళ అది నియర్ టు 0 కాబట్టి 0 కంటే కొద్దిగా ఎక్కువ రావాలి. మనకేమో ఆన్సర్ 0.8 వస్తుంది. అంటే నియర్ టు 1 వస్తుంది. అంటే ఇదే సైన్ 90 కంటే తక్కువ ఉండేలాగా వస్తుంది కదా సార్.
కాదు. ఇది sin theta is ఇది రేడియన్స్ కదా నాన్న. 0.833
ఓకే
రేడియన్స్.
సార్. ఓకే.
డిగ్రీస్ కాదు కదా.
ఓకే సార్.
రైట్. సో sin theta is approximately theta. ఓకే. దీన్ని చేస్తేనే బెటర్ ఏమో ఐ థింక్. Sin 0.833 radians, how much you will get there? ఎవరికైనా క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ ఉందా? Come to here.
Clear answer, no doubt.
Okay, right. So here we completed all the parts. Out of the 7 thing, I think we did not miss anything. Everything we calculated, even velocity and acceleration also we calculated according to the 2 formulae. Yes, over. And here we are going to discuss energy, power and intensity of the mechanical progressive wave. Okay, Nana. And then here, when a wave is propagating through a medium, energy, power and intensity in the wave, mechanical wave means, first of all, what I say, due to the movement of the particle, medium particles only, energy is propagating. That's why at an instant, if you see velocity of a particle in the medium, okay, Vp is equals to, no need to say, you can say this equation, or else the differential equation, a omega, that is a trigonometric equation, a omega cos kx minus omega t. I have to put negative sign. Then better I take omega t minus kx. Then sine omega t. Okay, right. Since y is equals to a sine omega t minus kx. Any one you can take. This is the velocity of the particle, Nana. Okay. Then here, suppose if you want the kinetic energy, okay, when wave is propagating like means like the water is propagating in a river, Nana. When water is propagating in the river, it is not so easy to find out the kinetic energy. Why? Because the mass of water continuously change while flowing. In the same way, here also it is not so easy to find out the kinetic energy. That's why better we calculate kinetic energy per unit volume. Then by this, what is the kinetic energy? The advantage here, kinetic energy per unit volume is half dm by dv, I have to write, into Vp square. Sir, we calculate the kinetic energy straight away, sir, as you wish. If you want to calculate, you have to write like this. Why? Because you don't know the mass. Okay, are you following my concept, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sorry, if you want the kinetic energy of the wave, sir, then even that also you can write. Kinetic energy of the wave means Vp you replace with V, velocity of the wave. Anything you can write, that is your wish. Okay, Nana? So here kinetic energy of particle, this is what I said. And in the same way, potential energy of the particle also you can say. Potential energy is M against gravity, it is suppose going up, G, H is Y of the particle I have to write. Is it correct, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That implies total energy of the particle at an instant, you can say total energy is equals to Ke of the particle plus Pe of the particle. Okay. In the same way, then here, suppose when wave is propagating in a medium, okay, the energy confined to a given volume, say some dV. Okay, energy confined to a given volume means total energy confined to a given volume, we have to say. That I think you can understand, Nana. Suppose this is the medium, wave is propagating in the medium means when it is propagating, the volume covered will be gradually changed here. When volume changes, obviously the energy associated to the volume also changes, to that volume also changes. Kabatti energy here mainly depending upon the how much volume you are selecting, depends on the volume. Are you following my logic here?
Yes, sir.
Nana? That's why here better you say, అంటే నేను చెప్పే పాయింట్ జాగ్రత్త క్యాచ్ చేయండి. బెటర్ యూ సే ఈ టోటల్ ఎనర్జీ పర్ యూనిట్ వాల్యూమ్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ సేయింగ్ ద టోటల్ ఎనర్జీ. ఇప్పుడు క్లారిటీ వచ్చిందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So total energy per unit volume means is the energy confined to a given volume dV is TE, total energy by dV. If you take, okay, that total energy by adding these two, potential energy plus kinetic energy, you will get there here. If you see, Nana, okay, kinetic energy is dm into Vp square. Okay, from there only you can say half dm into Vp square means a square omega square into cos square omega t cos square omega t minus kx kada nana. From here, without going to the second term, you can say half dm into a square omega square. అప్పుడు పొటెన్షియల్ ఎనర్జీ యూ షుడ్ నాట్ రైట్ లైక్ దిస్ కదా సార్. ఎస్, ఎందుకు అడుగుతున్నావు నాన్న? సార్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆసిలేటింగ్, సో ఆసిలేటింగ్ కైనటిక్ పొటెన్షియల్ ఎనర్జీ, ఆసిలేటింగ్ కైనటిక్ ఎనర్జీ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ కదా సార్. ఓ గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్. ఎస్, సో ఆసిలేటింగ్ పొటెన్షియల్ ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ హాఫ్ డిఎం, గుర్తుందా నాన్న ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో అది, ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్ వై స్క్వేర్.
Yes, sir.
half m omega square y square అంటే nothing but half k y square. This is the potential energy when a particle is oscillating. I think ఇప్పుడు గుర్తొస్తుంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. Able
Yes,
to
sir.
recollect, Nana, this part? Right. So this is the potential energy what we have to write for the oscillating particle. Okay, this one if you write, yes, this is equals to what I have to write, half dm into omega square into y square, means I have to write a square sine square omega t minus kx. Okay, now add these two terms, Nana, what you get finally? Sine square plus cos square becomes 1. That becomes
half
half
dm
dm into
omega.
omega square. Yes, that's what I'm going to say. Half dm into omega square a square. Yes, this is the total energy. Okay. So due to the vibration of the particle per unit volume, what is the total energy confined there in the given medium of a mechanical wave? Okay, if you check total energy, I already calculated there. That is dm into omega square a square per unit volume. Okay, this is equals to, I say, half dm by dv means what is this, Nana? Mass by volume.
Density.
Right, half rho omega square a square. Yes. This total energy per unit volume is called as energy density. That energy density in your electromagnetic waves, I think you got there half epsilon naught into E naught square or half B naught square by mu naught. Energy density in electromagnetic waves. Start in the electromagnetic waves.
Only introductions.
Okay. There I think you will get these two equations. Energy density, same energy density in electromagnetic wave, either in terms of electric field or magnetic field, you will get the total energy density in electromagnetic waves. See here, ఎందుకు చెబుతున్నా అంటే these two are not equal అంటున్నాను. Here you observe there is no density term of the medium that depends upon electric and magnetic properties of the medium. It is not depending upon the angular frequency of the particle, and a particle meedane it is not depending. It is depending upon the electric vector and magnetic vector. It is not at all depending upon the amplitude of the particle. It is depending upon the amplitude of electric vector and magnetic vector. Clarity vachunda nana? The difference between mechanical wave and electromagnetic wave?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So don't say the energy the energy densities of mechanical waves, energy density of electromagnetic wave, both are equal. Don't say what I'm saying. Don't say these two are equal. Both are different. That is the energy density in electromagnetic wave, and this is the energy density in the mechanical wave. Clearly, it is depending upon the nature of the medium. Okay, so I write here, it depends on density of the medium. Means if medium is changed, the density will be changed, so energy density will be changed. And number two here, comma, frequency and amplitude of vibration of a particle, of the medium particle. And it is completely depending upon the nature of the medium, whereas that is independent of nature of the medium. That depends upon the electric and magnetic properties of the medium. Okay, this is the story, Nana. And here, after getting the energy from here, suppose, sir, I need the total energy in a given volume, sir. That is your wish. You can come back to there. First, I highlight this formula, total energy per unit volume, which is the energy density what I got here. Okay. Now, yes, what do you want? sir, I want here not these two, sir, total energy. But if you want the total energy, you have to give the volume. So, okay, sir, I will give the volume, sir. Okay, then that is your wish. That implies total energy, okay, of a mechanical wave. Is equals to, I write, total energy density is half rho omega square a square. This is energy density, Nana. Energy density into volume is the total energy into dV. So the problem here, I think you observed, you have to give the volume while asking the total energy. And when you come to exam, they won't ask the total energy, Nana. They go to what, find the total energy per unit volume. That is energy density they ask when you come to exams. Okay. Okay, sir. Energy part is over. Energy density is over, sir. Next come to power, sir. Power means what, Nana? Divided by time, kada? Energy divided by time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come to here, the power. Power in the mechanical wave. Means mechanical power. Mechanical wave. P is equals to, I have to write energy. Energy means total energy per unit time. dt. I have to write. So if I write this one as half rho into omega square a square into dv by dt. Okay. To avoid here the integration part, I take uniform cross section. Through that, the wave is propagating like this. Suppose this is the dv what I selected. Okay, that dv, shall I write it as a into dx or a into dy now? I have to write this one. Energy is
dx.
propagating in this direction. Sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sure.
And not a into dy.
No, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Propagation of energy. Okay, very good. From the diagram, చాలా smart గా here select చేసేసారు. So coming to here, the power concept from the diagram, what you understood. Okay. Better. Yeah. Okay, right. That implies, coming back to here, power equals to half rho omega square a square into dv is a into dx by dt. But dx by dt is velocity of particle or velocity of wave?
Velocity of wave.
That implies, very good. Power I got here, half rho omega square a square. అబ్బో ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. A is the amplitude, A is the area.
ఏ డాష్ అని పెట్టుకున్నాం సార్ ఒకదానికి.
సార్ ఏరియాకి ఎస్ ఇచ్చింది సార్.
ఇదేదో బాగుంది. ఎస్ అనే లెటర్ బెటర్. ఇంకా ఏ కన్ఫ్యూషన్ లేదు. బెటర్ ఐ టేక్ హియర్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఎస్. యా, దట్స్ బెటర్. dv is equals to s into dx and not s into dy, where s is area of cross section. Okay, right, good. Area of cross section. s into ఇక్కడ s పెట్టారు కదా. So there, sorry, not there, here. s into dx by dt is v, velocity of wave కదా నాన్న.
ఎస్ సార్.
Right, sir.
This is the power. Oh, power lo kuda I am facing some problems, sir. What the problem you faced here, Nana? Power ante again they have to give the cross sectional area, sir. ఓహో, అంటే పవర్ కూడా ఎగ్జామ్ లో అడగడా సార్? ఎస్. మరి ఏం అడుగుతాడు సార్? వన్ ఈస్ ద ఎనర్జీ డెన్సిటీ. ఎస్, ఇదొకటి ఎగ్జామ్ లో అడుగుతాడు. ఇదైనా ఎందుకు అడుగుతాడు సార్? రో యూ కెన్ గివ్, ఒమేగా యూ కెన్ గివ్, యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ యూ కెన్ గివ్. దట్స్ వై దే విల్ ఆస్క్. అండ్ నెంబర్ 2, ఇంటెన్సిటీ. Yes, exactly what you said, correct. Next one, they will ask in exam the intensity part. Okay. Now come to the third part here. Energy is over, power is over. We are coming to the intensity. Okay. So intensity I is equals to, what is the formula, Nana?
Power by area.
Power. Very good. Power by area. Excellent. Correct. Power by area. Area, power heat. Correct. Area means I think we represented with the letter S.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So power by S. Right. Power by S means look at all the remaining terms here in the next page. That implies I is equals to, I'm getting half rho omega square A square into V. Correct, Nana?
Right, sir.
That's all. Here everything is a constant. This is not velocity of particle, velocity of the wave. That is also a constant. That's why there is a chance to ask this one in exam. These ones are not omega. Usually they give the frequency, sir. Yes, in terms of frequency also you can write the next one here. That is equals to, I can write half rho into omega square is 4 pi square nu square into A square into V. Nana, tappyavanunda?
No, sir.
This is omega square. Right. Sorry, that is not whole square. Better I keep it like this. Okay. By this, by cancelling 2 over there, you will get I is equals to what, Nana? 2 pi square. Follow Tunara?
Yes, sir.
By
Yes, sir.
cancelling 2 pi square, A square, nu square, rho into V. Okay. This one మీకు ఎప్పుడో ఒకసారి అడిగినట్టు గుర్తు. ఐ థింక్ ఇన్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ అది వేవ్ రే ఆప్టిక్స్ లో అడిగాను అనుకుంటాను. ఐ థింక్ అరే ద
సార్
ఇంటెన్సిటీ
మోడర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్ లో అనుకుంటాను.
మోడర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్ లోనా? ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే, మేబీ ఐ థింక్ సమ్వేర్.
సార్ అంటే అక్కడ బల్బు మీద ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చాయి కదా సార్.
రైట్, కరెక్ట్ కరెక్ట్, దేర్ ఐ థింక్ యు ఆర్ రైట్. So intensity is 2 pi square A square nu square rho into V. And clearly I write here where this is better, where V is not velocity of particle, this is velocity of the wave. Okay, rest of the things no need to explain. A, you know, amplitude, nu is the frequency, and rho is the density of the material. Okay, from here, suppose in a given medium, of course 2 pi square constant and rho, even though medium is changed, rho frequency is constant. And if in the given medium you can write rho is constant, amplitude of vibration is constant, 2 constant, pi square is constant, you can write I is directly proportional to A square. That's it. అంటే మీకు సపోజ్ దే ఆర్ చేంజ్ A square nu square into V. మీడియం చేంజ్ అయితే రో కూడా చేంజ్ అవ్వాలి కదా, రో ఇంటూ వి. ఐ కెన్ రైట్ లైక్ దిస్. ఏరా తప్పేమైనా ఉందా?
నో సార్.
Keep in mind this equation you will use in the chapter of wave optics. అది ఎవరు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినా కానీ ట్రై టు రికలెక్ట్ దట్ వేవ్ పార్ట్. వేవ్ ఆప్టిక్స్ లో ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ యూ ట్రై టు యూస్ అగైన్. ఓకే, ఆ రోజు నాకు చెప్పలేదు అనకండి, దిస్ ఈస్ ద వేవ్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఓకేనా? ఎస్ ఎస్ మాస్టర్.
Yes, sir. Rho is density of medium.
Yes. Already I told na rho is the density of medium here.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Right. Good. So better we complete here. ikkadto stop cheddam nana, that concept related to waves part. Okay, I completed today energy, power and intensity part nana, last part. So any doubts here related to this concept?
No, sir.
No, sir.